kindergarten, I brought you a fantasy book. In this realistic fantasy, the girl wants to pretend to be all kinds of animals, and she wants to describe herself by thinking about animals. So in this picture, she's trying to be a cheetah, and it's called I Can Be. You're going to find this in the Level C books. And there are some strategies we're going to look at today to help you be a good reader of this book. Oh, look, she's being so quiet. She's being silent. Okay. Now, the first word that I want to take a look at is this word. Okay. Now, we know that Y can sound like an E or an I. And I see the little chunk that says man, right? Do you think it's many or mani? I think it's many. Yeah, many. I can be many. Oh, stick your tongue out at me. Things. See how we chunked that word? We saw the TH and the ing. Things. So she's thinking all the things she can be. She could be many things. Oh boy. So on this word, this one, she's roaring like a, here's the word lion. So I can be as, oh boy. So we're going to look in chunks in this word. Do you see the OU chunk? You know, I tell you, don't let them stand next to each other because they pinch. So let's try this one. Ready? Loud. Loud. I can be as loud as a lion. Yes. Oh boy, here's an animal. This is going to be an animal. Now look, there's a magic E. Let's try it. Ready? Snake. Snake. Okay. I can be as, let's try to chunk it. Silent. No, silent isn't a word. Let's try long. Let's try it long I. Ready? Silent. Is that a word? Yeah, we flippied the vowel. We tried it with a short I and it didn't make sense. So then we tried it with a long I and we came up with silent as a snake. Oh no, not again. You let O and U stand next to each other. Let's stretch it out. Ready? Proud. I can be as proud as a, that's a long word. But look what I see. I see chunks. Do you see two vowels standing next to each other? The first one says its name, right? Pa-e-k-ak. Oh, there's that CK ending. Peacock. I can be as proud as a peacock. Uh-oh. There we have it again. Do you see it? Two vowels standing next to each other. The first one says its name. Meek. Meek means like quiet and shy. Okay? Meek as, did you let OU stand next to each other again? You gotta be kidding me. Mouse. Mouse. Oh my gosh. Now look, I see chunks. Ch. And then I see two E's. E-ta. Cheetah. Good job, guys. You're getting this. Oh boy. I'm going to tell you it's a long O sound. Slow as a, you're going to stretch that out. Ready? Slug. Slow as a slug. Or I can be just me. This is the word I skipped. Do you see two small words in there? Also, right. Boys and girls, we used basically some strategies. We remembered that two vowels together, the first one says its name, and remember, don't let O stand next to you. They always pinch each other. Ow! So I want you to go back and I want you to read this book all by yourself. You will do a great job. I just know it.